he's all over the place there. He's got Twitter. He's known around the world. He's a phenomenal dog trainer. Um,
I feel like my dog is human.
your dog's human? Oh yeah, my dog's too smart for her own good. She's like, bitch, please.
Like superhuman.
But on my watch list, I got the US 30, of course. Again, it's always on my watch
It's
list.
what is it? What you see? Shooting up?
No, I think she like for maybe for the little first bit of morning, but she's
Oh,
gonna
for
lose.
that range. She's just going up in
Yeah,
range.
yeah. She. I
Okay,
gotta
so let me
wait. I'm
see
gonna
if
be
I can get
waiting.
this right. Okay, so as far as the US 30 range, it would be something like this, and then I would pretty much double that to the upside. Oh shit! Like this,
As a take profit, correct?
and then could I do it to the downside to get other my uh
Your stop loss. Yep,
my other and what you call it down like this?
correct. Yeah, you go from the midnight candle to get your range, and then you go to about 9 a.m. to get your full range of that movement before the 9:30 open.
So we could look to possibly sell this bad boy
That's what I'm looking for right now.
at
I'm look
26, 4, 6, somewhere around there.
Yeah, somewhere in that range there. It's actually pushing up right now around the daily pivot. I'm looking to hopefully get it up to around the R1. And then after the R1, I'm going to be looking to short it. That's around the 475 level. But right now, the RSI is showing it's sitting around 64. Once it pushes up past the daily pivot and hits around the R1, I'm expecting that to probably come up around 80 or so. And then she's going to fall off real hard. I'm actually only looking for shorts
Okay,
on
so
it.
you see it coming to about right here, this MR1.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, that's what I see before the open. That's what I'm
Damn,
anticipating.
I hadn't looked at the euro all day, but I'm looking at it now.
Oh yeah, she fell off overnight, man. Yeah, I was like, what the hell happened to the euro?
Wow. Dollar went crazy too. But that tells me it's not gonna hold through New York.
No, she's gonna be reversing come New York,
Hell yeah, major reversal.
and not maybe not completely reverse, but she's gonna come back to recover some of those losses for sure.
Hell
Like
yeah.
right now, she's way oversold. If you look at the RSI, she's way down at around 25 or so. She's got to get pushed back up.
28.
28 you got on
Yeah,
yours.
she's low as fuck.
What do
I'm
you
on the
have your
15. Let me go to the 4 hour.
I'm on the 30-minute chart. Maybe that's why we got a little bit
Yeah, I
difference.
got 22 on the 30 minute.
Yeah. What's your RSI set at?
10.
10? Okay, I have it at 14. That's probably why we're different. What do you find works best? 10?
Uh, yeah, I think 10. I actually have went even as low as 7.
Really, eh?
Yeah, I've went as low as 7. But when I go that low, I'm only using them on the higher time frames.
Oh, okay,
I'm
yeah.
not really paying attention to it on the anything lower than the 30 minute. Or really, when I go that low, I'm not looking at anything lower than like a 4 hour.
You're what, sorry? Say that again?
Whenever I go to a RSI like 7, I'm looking at the 4 hour chart.
Yeah, you're looking for longer term trades there.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
no, I don't need that.
But
And
jeez, I was not expecting that euro. I'm glad I didn't trade that euro last night. But I would have entered and went to sleep.
I was going to actually call this yesterday, and I was like, you know what? I don't feel comfortable calling that. I'm not going to actually set that out.
You were gonna
I was
call a
look,
sell?
I was going to call a buy on that
Oh yeah,
yesterday.
yeah, me too. I was
I
actually
was like,
somebody actually asked me this morning if the euro was still going up, and I said it should be. I shouldn't have replied.
look at that nice trend right there from like going upwards. That bullish trend on the 30-minute, like that's a hell of a bullish trend. And then she just tanks right
Right here.
out. Oh yeah, man.
Yeah.
Well, if you take it from the other, even from the other one, but still, it's
Right.
a
You can even
gorgeous
take it
trend.
lower. This is a
Oh yeah, it's
But
gorgeous.
it's gorgeous, and if you look at it, you can see the steps.
Oh yeah, she's hit all three steps.
Mm-hmm.
she had no more momentum. No more bulls wanted in. The sellers came in, said, "Okay, fuck you. I'm coming. I'm playing now."
Right.
I guess I should watch my language a little more.
And I
I'm
want to
quite.
say, man, I actually had expectations of this week being extremely bullish.
As did I, but the holiday weeks, man, they're always wonky. I
They are.
always
They are. So I think it's
like.
gonna. I think it's gonna kick in next week to close out the month. Because even
Okay,
still, this week hasn't breached the last week's low. So if this low holds right here and we reverse up for the rest of the day and tomorrow, this week might even still close bullish.
it could.
Especially with this, it's already reached the ADR low, the daily range low.
Yeah.
So I know it's coming up today. So if it comes up and takes back this whole little spike drop, that was possibly no. As a matter of fact, there was a lot of data this morning on euro. I just remembered that there was tons of data on the euro this morning.
Actually, I'm gonna pull up my the economic calendar, take a look at it here. What do we got? Euro news, manufacturing PMI, market composite PMI, and services PMI all came out at 4 a.m. and all came out negative. Was that candle at 4 a.m. or was it just like at 4:30 roughly?
Let's see. Okay, so what is it? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Yeah.
3 o'clock.
Everybody anticipated it before. Actually, there was also some news for the euro at the German manufacturing PMI, and it came out negative as well.
Well, that'll do it.
Yeah, that right there did it, and everything else followed with it, followed suit.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, and I saw all that news last night too. And I actually woke up at like 3:30 and I went back to sleep.
On at 3:30, went back to sleep. Oh man, that's
Right. I
yeah.
actually was gonna trade. I actually got up, saw that little this spike here down on pound, and that's where I got in on these pound trades. When I woke up, I glanced at it. And I was like,
Nice.
"Ooh, nice spike down. Let me grab that entry."
So you're still in that? Okay, your stop
Yeah,
loss is.
they
Yeah, I
just been
see the
sitting
wick.
there.
That's why I thought I hit your stop loss, but that's it's
That
already
was
touched.
that I had my stop losses down here. I just broke them. I pulled them up to right above the low.
Okay,
So
yeah, yeah,
if it goes back down there, I'm gonna get out.
yeah. 476. Okay.
So how'd the meeting go with your new student yesterday?
Excellent. He's on board. He works, however, day shifts. So he's worked from whatever 7 to 3 o'clock.
Okay.
So he's going to be catching up on the YouTube channel to see anything that we missed. So that's actually something that I want to talk to you about there after the meeting. Is I want to start breaking down our calls, our charts and our calls, so that like say at the 5 minute mark we're talking about the pound USD, and then we can put a full breakdown on the channel as well, so people can skip through the video to find out what they most specifically want to watch.
Got you.
Yeah. And same thing, you know, if we're going over education, okay, we're going to be talking about fibs today. Okay, we're going to be doing the fib mark at the 1 hour and 10 mark, you know, type of thing, so people can skip right to it and catch up what they specifically want to watch.
Okay. Yeah, I like that idea. Pretty sweet.
And then it saves people from like watching the entire thing of us, you know, talking back and forth, and and they can catch up on what they want to watch.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that Dow's pushing up hard right now. If you take a look at the US 30, I'm seeing that 476 coming into play very soon. Oh, you're waiting for a trade. Stalker.
Very much so. It's 8:30.
Is that how you got your wife? Did you stalk her?
Pretty much.
Shit.
Pretty much.
Okay. So yeah, I have gold in play. I actually took a gold trade for once. Overbought actually, and I also have USD CHF in play, and I'm very very
Confident in that one.
oh, it's coming down. It's gonna be coming down. Nobody wants to see that freaking price this high. It's way overbought right now. It's it's past the R1. It's gonna be coming down. It's gonna be dropping. It's just a matter of I don't know. It's got too much. It doesn't have enough power to keep pushing up. I noticed you even tossed a USD CHF trade in, just a nice little scalp. But
Yeah, I did.
did it hit your stop or is it still going?
No, I didn't put a stop. I'm putting a stop right now at one. What is this? 1,350.
Yeah, I got my stop at 101,500. And sorry, 10 yeah, 101,500 on one trade, and I have another one at 102,200. So I might move my the 101,500 up a little bit. I don't want to see it that high, but if I'll have to keep an eye on it there today. Yeah, but it's the weekend coming up. Tomorrow I'm not trading. I'm out of the markets entirely. And same thing with Monday. Monday's another holiday. Staying out of the markets entirely. 4-day weekends.
Yep.
Are you,
I'm not
are
gonna
you,
trade. I'm not trading tomorrow either.
are you, what about Monday? Are you trading Monday?
Probably not. I've actually been thinking about maybe what
Listen,
if what if we took about a week, maybe two, to ourselves to really put some analysis and some content out.
uh, I know what you mean. Have more time to our to work on the business.
Yeah, just to grab some. Now it doesn't have to necessarily be during our sessions times. We can do it at. We can still do the sessions, but just at I don't know. Just try to find maybe an hour a day outside of this the YouTube sessions
Yeah.
to try to maybe knock out some content because you know we can add stuff in there to the course as we
Oh
go
yeah.
along.
Oh yeah. I plan on adding a lot. I've gone through some of it, and I have a lot of great ideas to slap in there. So, but yeah, I like that idea. We'll take a couple of weeks and and just go through content to add in. But yeah, like you said, we'll continue to do the sessions so that because everybody's paid for that, right? So we
Right.
can't stop those sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
I think I'll put a buy stop right here.
buy stuff. Oh, on the pound. Yeah, wait for that spike to come down. For this morning for news, we got some 8:30 news actually just came out. Core retail sales came out positive for the USD. Initial jobless claims came out positive, and continuous jobless claims came out positive. What else? Fed manufacturing index came out negative. What's the DXY doing? She's pushing up. Okay. What else did we have here? Retail sales came out positive.
Pound or that's for USD.
Sorry, that's for the USD. This is there was a shit ton of USD news that just came out there. And at 8:30, also we had Canadian core retail sales come out, and that came out positive. So let's see the USD CAD. The USD CAD should actually be kind of staying stagnant with the Canadian and US economy both doing well. She's actually pushing up a little bit. So
Yeah, she's in a nice range here on the hour chart too. She's on
yeah,
top of it.
that was a nice buy.
Oh yeah, from yesterday.
Yeah.
Hmm, that would have been
Okay.
beautiful.
I'm pretty sure I called that in the group yesterday during the session. I I'm getting tired of like posting my trades and like profits and shit like that. So I decided I'm gonna jump on the roof today and fucking take a picture. I'm running out of ideas on what to post on social media. So I'm like, all right, let's do something
Yeah, man.
different.
Same here.
Uh, I noticed you've gone back to analyzing off MetaTrader, eh?
Oh yeah.
Don't you don't use TradingView anymore?
Only whenever only when I'm gonna post an idea,
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
I hop on there and type up a good little description and shit.
I'm gonna write down some notes there. What we were just talking about. Okay, here we go. So let's see here. I also actually let's see. I have a few accounts open, right? So I'm jumping from account to account. I have a USD Jappy trade open on a sell. Let's see. Yeah, she's below the pivot. I'll probably close this out just before the weekend.
You got it for a sale. She's at
Mm-hmm.
8.1 right now.
Actually, this is that sell that we took the other day that I'm still holding.
Hmm.
uh,
Waiting for her to fucking tank.
she's coming. It's just
That pound zero
look at
had spiked down, but it's back on the rise.
what did I think I called that for a bit of a sell weights, but yeah, she tanked out. Or
Yeah, she tanked out, but now she's coming back. She came all the way back actually.
yeah, that huge candle there, that was yeah, I don't under that was stupid. I didn't like that. I wasn't happy. Oh, well, it's a weird week. Not gonna lie, it's a very weird week.
Very. Pound Aussie looks potential like a nice push up.
Pound Aussie. Let's take a look here. Uh, yeah, she's sitting around the daily pivot on the 30-minute chart.
The last 30 minute, this 30 minute candle actually gapped a bit.
Yeah, that's not showing on Oanda. I don't have that yet. Hey, I noticed you have 4 different MAs up. What do you got?
Oh, right here I have the 5, 13, 21, and 50.
Really?
5,
Holy.
13. No, wait. Yeah, the 5, 13, 50, and 200 actually. This right here is the 400 that blew up there.
400. Holy shit. Yeah, I got the 50, 100, and 200 up
This
on
is
mine.
the actual market maker template right here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Steve Morrow, famous.
Yeah, this is his thing.
Okay, so yeah, she's actually I see a trend right there. She might,
I'm gonna wait till 9 o'clock to fool with it though.
yeah, wait for that confirmation there. If you go right back to April 17th around 4:30 a.m., it's got a nice trend all the way up. It might bounce off the trend. It's coming up and hitting daily pivot around that same area, so we'll see what happens. What else we got today? Uh, Russia, Ruby. We got some news coming out for Russia. More news at quarter to 10, 9:45. Some manufacturing PMI, services PMI, market composite PMI. 10 o'clock, we got business inventories.
That's on the dollar, right?
That's on the dollar, correct.
Okay. CAD got any news today?
We just had the core retail sales at 8:30, and that's it for the day for the CAD.
Good.
Let's see, anything coming out tomorrow? Holiday across the board. Actually, there will be some building permits for the U.S. tomorrow. Um, but other than that, it'll be a quiet day.
Do building permits usually spike the dollar?
If they come out positive, yeah, they're going to spike it because that's promoting
More spending.
exactly. It's a leading indicator in the economy, so it's going to show that the economy is doing well, and everyone's going to be pushing the dollar to gain some more value, and that they're happy that the economy is growing and not dovish. However, March came out negative, but the previous 3 months, 4 months, sorry, were all positive. So we'll see what comes out. However, Bloomberg has been constantly saying that central banks across the board are starting to shift to a more dovish tone. So we'll see what plays out. For everyone,
Dovish actually means they're gonna cut back or stay neutral, right?
dovish. So dovish means negative. So yeah, a slowdown in the economy, and hawkish means bullish, more
Aggressive.
yeah, a growing economy. For people that want to remember dovish and hawkish, hawks fly up, doves die down. Well, actually, hawks do dive, but hawks soar high and doves fly low.
That makes so much sense.
It actually took me a little while to remember that when I was learning, and I was like, why do people say, like, over like on the UK side, they all talk about doves and hawks, and I'm like, what the hell is that? It's just their like terminology for bulls and bears.
Right. It's weird, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Like, what are y'all talking about?
And then you hear two girls on Bloomberg talking. I'm like,
Did you get in your 30?
did I get in my 30? Let me take a look.
Because it just hit our 2647 and dropped.
No, it didn't. It didn't hit my exit, my entry. For me, it's still. It came within 8 points.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So I'm following my rules. I'm staying out
It comes
till it
down.
hits it.
Yeah.
So I might have lost out. I might have missed out, but it's a wonky day.
Right.
I'm
Ain't nothing wrong with missing a trade. You can't lose money if you ain't in it.
exactly. Nothing wrong with that. We're broadcasting to YouTube right now?
Yeah, we're live.
Yeah, okay. Is anybody in the calls?
Take a look.
YouTube. Urban Genius. Live. 0 on the live stream.
Oh, there we go. markup or chart
Okay, sounds good.
on this pound. We had a nice wedge forming here on the pound too, on the daily.
Yeah, I see that.
So we got a nice daily wedge. We had an uptrend, of course. We see that started here. Let me actually change the color of this because this trend line here has been broken. But the trend line's been broken, but the level has not.
Got a nice little triangle there.
And what I mean by the trend has not, I mean the level has not. This here is holding the level. So this level is holding. This this is actually going to be a break. I'm expecting a breakout here on this daily.
Yeah.
I want to see something like this on the daily today. And that's going to bring it to here. I want to see it at least come back up in this or higher. That's what I would like to see. This is on the daily, so we have a wedge here on the daily after a strong uptrend. We're in the corner of that wedge now, so a breakout should be coming soon. Here on the 4-hour chart. Here on the 4-hour, no, that's not the chart. Here on the 4-hour chart, we have support at that level. Look how many touches we have at that support level.
Yeah, she's respecting it. Very nice.
Very nicely. If we come in here now, go bump down to the 1-hour, we'll see a very, very large pin at the opening of this session. So looking here, we can see
A nice little trap in play right there.
yes, sir. And that's a triple bottom. So price doesn't want to be accepted down here in the below 129. Because there we have a triple bottom. Triple bottom in the corner of the wedge. So something like this would be ideal.
To drill down a little bit more into the overall trend market, with this one obviously a topic whether you're looking at it's the cheapest topic, how it's I'll leave it
Here's a quick throw in for the pound news. Pound USD struggles to close to 1.3 thousand despite upbeat retail sales. The market mood and retail sales are set to dominate trading. The technical picture is worsening for the pair, but uptrend support can help. So it's struggling just to break that level of 1300, right? And that's why you keep seeing those dips into that area. And it looks like it's pushing up. It's got a nice wedge there, and yeah. Anyways, I'll let you continue. Sorry.
Are you good? So yeah, that's on this pound. I expect this this push to come up out of this level since it's struggling. And price actions are actually showing that the uptrend is going to resume with those 3 touches down there, those 3 dips, and those wicks, those long wicks, especially something this right here. These 2 wicks plus these 2 closings and the rejection with it, followed by 2 more pins. As long as, well, we got 10 more minutes in this hour, so, you know, we could free fall down in about 10 minutes. So. But looking at this 5-minute chart, I don't see that happening. Because here on the 5 minute chart, we've also began to go bullish with higher highs.
Yeah.
Let's see what the. I know you don't like the 1 minute. Let's see what they got down there.
Ooh. Give me nightmares, man. Every time, every time.
So looking here, we actually also broke this downtrend. Broke this downtrend, and we thought there's some support here on this 1 minute. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. This is a little range that the 1 minute chart stuck in. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab some more coffee.
Yeah, sure, no thing. No, no worries.
Alright, Alex, thanks a lot. Alex Amato, Renault Capital Partners, and Bloomberg Jason Kelly, who's going to catch up with you as well. David?
Markets moving up. The back of stronger than expected market. Retail sales that jumped the most since September of 2017. Bloomberg's Taylor makes the introduction of those scores.
Yeah, David, so I want you to take a look at the broad markets and what is going on, because like you said, we're having that big future rise, and you're having that higher dollar index. But interestingly enough, you're also seeing some yields come in a little bit higher, about 2 basis points, perhaps on the uncertainty around the Mueller report. So this is not a classic risk on trade. You're seeing really a flight to both equity risk on and risk off sectors as well. And you're seeing a little bit of flattening on that yield curve. Now, I want to come
You watching Bloomberg?
I am. You can hear it in the background, eh? Every day, man. It's, I don't know. I don't watch TV. This is my TV. This is
Yeah,
like,
same here.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't watch.
It's good to stay informed on the economy.
Very, very wise.
Did you see now what was that place there that burnt down there?
The Notre Dame thing.
Yeah, they've raised over 1 billion now.
Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Hell yeah.
Within 24 hours, they raised over 400 millions within the first 24 hours.
Holy
There's like one billionaire from France donated like 115 million himself. Like, it's phenomenal.
sheesh. They broke the bank on that one.
Yeah. That's only like 2% of his balance probably.
Like pennies.
Oh yeah, it's like Bill Gates. Bill Gates could pay for the whole thing himself, but apparently it's going to be like a 5-year reconstruction phase or something like that to rebuild it all.
Dang. I know it was huge. Did they say how it started?
I haven't read up on that, so I don't know.
No.
I don't know how it started. It might have been a candle. Who knows? There's so many plausibilities of what happened, but I don't think they released that information yet.
I wonder if somebody set that bitch on fire. That'd be crazy. You would set a church on fire.
Right? Like that's just asking for like badness to happen to you.
Really bad karma.
Oh yeah, I was trying to come up with karma, but it didn't come into my head fast enough.
Yeah, that would be some vicious karma. Vicious. been finding myself to get extremely sleepy.
Sorry, what's that, man?
I said I've been finding myself to get extremely sleepy lately.
You too? I don't know. I thought it was just me. Like, I've been exhausted, like sleeping 10 hours a night, and I'm like,
Man, me too.
I'm waking up exhausted. Like the other night, yesterday morning before the session or during the session there, I was burnt. Although the night before I did have food poisoning, so that's probably
Wow.
doesn't help. But still, I woke up, man. I'm just like, oh man, I really just want to sleep right now.
Yeah, I think this little sinus cold is fucking me up.
Oh yeah, man. It takes a toll on your body. You just a nice sauna is gonna fix. After this, I'm going for a sauna and just relax there. It's this afternoon.
That sounds amazing.
Nice steam sauna. Oh yeah, clean everything out, get rid of the toxins out of the body, and restart fresh.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
Are we still good for a call afterwards or what?
Yeah, we used to do the call afterwards.
Okay, sounds good. All right. 3 minutes to 9 a.m.
9 a.m. That's the moment we waiting on.
All right. Well, I'm gonna take a look at some other pairs here. What do we got? New Zealand dollar is pretty bearish.
New Zealand dollars been extremely bearish. I don't know why. And there's nothing. I wonder if there's some. It's not necessarily economic news, but like some tragedy or something going on in New Zealand.
I'm gonna actually dig up some news here real quick and find out here for us.
I haven't seen anything on the New Zealand dollar.
It might be some. It might be the bank information. If they're in a very dovish, like very dovish tones, everyone's gonna be selling the New Zealand.
I'm gonna take the wife on a date tonight.
What's that, man?
I said I think I'm gonna take the missus on a date tonight.
There you go. Did you guys watch Hellboy yet? The new Hellboy?
No, it came out in theaters.
Yeah, I heard it's really good. My buddy went and seen it there. It says it's phenomenal.
Yeah, I did say I wanted to go see a movie, so we might go check that out.
And then on April 26th, next Friday, Avengers Endgame is coming out. I'm a huge Marvel fan, so I'm like I'm stoked to see that right now.
Oh, that's gonna be lit.
I don't go to the movies, but when I do, it's for a Marvel movie. Oh shit! Just gotta find a date now.
Right. Those always come in handy.
Yeah, I mean I could go with some guys, but it's more fun to go with a girl.
Of course. Yeah, I can dig it.
But you gotta get
gotta
them.
find one that's into Marvel.
Exactly. I gotta go to some Comic Cons, I think. There was actually over last weekend there was actually a Comic Con in town, but I was too busy working. I never even had time to go to the freaking.
Wow.
Oh well.
They usually have a big Comic Con here in maybe California, I think.
You're not in California, right? Oh, well, next year you will be, or in a few months you will
I'll
be.
be closer to California. I think they do the Comic Con in Vegas or Los Angeles. I can't remember. But
Las Vegas. Oh man, big city.
Oh man, I can't wait.
I'm gonna be coming down for a visit.
Yeah, you're more than welcome.
Well, I mean, I got to get my own hotel there, but because that's, I'd be kind of weird bringing back strangers to your place at night.
What happens in Vegas
Stays in Vegas. That's it. Scotiabank daily summaries. CAD trading defensively into retail sales. I was at 7:30. I don't see anything about the New Zealand. Like I'm looking through news here and I'm seeing jack crap.
Yeah, I didn't see nothing about the
I do know that their bank is dovish, so that could be why.
Yeah, they typically have a low, modest tone.
Poland central bank. Poland. I don't care about Poland. Like, fuck. They're just so small. They don't really have a big. Okay, Security sees solid floor in New Zealand USD at 67 and suggests the recent CPI data is not a trigger for RBN New Zealand easing as early as next month. So let's take a quick look here.
It said the floor should be 6-7 what?
The floor should be 6-7.
Okay, well it's at 6-6-8, so that's
Yeah, I think it broke.
yeah, it broke. So I think what it did was it broke and it's gonna trap them down here below 6-7, and then come back.
Yeah, I can see that.
Reverse in about 30 minutes.
Nice market maker reversal there.
Nice market maker reverse. And see, news does that to you. News will tell you the floor's at 6-7, then it breaks 6-7 to 6-6-8, and then you in like, yeah, it broke, and no, it didn't.
Exactly. Well, yeah, the market maker, he uses the news as to everybody watches the news, right? Everybody's got the new access to it, so he has to think outside the box to trap people, right? And by doing that, like you said, he's using this as a trap. Because how far down is this right now? So it broke 67. Everyone's thinking it's going to be a sell now.
Right, because it broke 15 pips past 67.
Yep, exactly.
15 pips isn't enough for the market maker to be satisfied with the.
Actually, it's hitting 20 now. It's pushing down a bit more.
Oh yeah, it's at 668 flat. So
yeah,
it's at exactly 20 pips.
Yeah. So he might push it down to the S1. I see it down here at 6670 for 30 points, and then reverse it right back up to the R1 for up to 67,800 roughly, I'd say.
I can see that.
And she's actually way oversold right now. If you look on the what the hell happened to my RSI? On the RSI, she's actually way oversold. She's down at sitting at 25 right now, 24 on the 2-hour chart. But
Ooh,
let's
I got her at fucking 12 on the 30-minute.
30-minute. Holy shit! Yeah, that's coming in for a nice buy.
Yeah, I got her.
I like that.
12.
66,800. I'm kind of tempted to get in. I can't
do something in the next 30 minutes on New Zealand.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till 9:30. I read at the open. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, she's looking real promising. She's gonna retest last hour's low. That's what she's doing now. I actually just got in.
Oh, you got in on an entry? What are you placing your stop at?
Right below. I'm gonna place 668 is where the my entry's at. I'm gonna place my stop at 677. About 4 pips.
Excellent. I'm gonna get that.
Do the same to the euro. Yeah, I just did the same to the euro.
On the Euro USD. Oh yeah, right at the bottom there, eh?
And this stop is at 235 or 350. So 4 pip stop on the euro.
4 pips, hot damn. Shit, son.
Yeah, this intraday trading has had my stops are my stops be so damn tight. Because I'm only willing to risk like maybe the spread plus a little more, maybe double the spread. That's all I'm willing to risk on the trade, or 3 times the spread.
Right. So you only got like a 5 pip stop on the Euro USD?
Yeah, 5 pip total. It's at 350. Yeah, and my entry's at 396.
Nice.
Yeah, about 4.5 pips on the euro, and on the pound, I got 8 pips, and on where's New Zealand? New Zealand, I have 4, and all of them are in profit already. So
Yeah, I'm placing my stop right at 66.7.
okay, yeah, just
Yeah,
in
about
that spike when
15
that
pips
open up,
over.
when that session opened.
Yeah.
That makes
Uh,
sense.
uh, I'm still getting used to units. With forex.com, they don't use
Lots.
lot sizes, they use units, and the units is kind of, it's weird. I've never traded with units until I switched over to
Yeah,
forex.com.
what's the difference between units and lots?
1,000 units is equal to a micro lot. So every thousand is a micro, and then 10,000 units is a mini, and 100,000 units is a standard. So it's different to get used to. It's pretty cool, but it's different to get used to.
Hell yeah, it's different. I'd be confused. I'd fuck up my wrist so bad.
But the nice thing about them is that you can enter your stop loss, and then or enter how many pips you want to risk, and you can enter the quantity, and it'll actually show you the profit loss ratio on what you're risking, so that you don't fuck up your trade and like put in 100,000 units and be like, oh fuck, what happened?
Interesting. So it's got some safety measures.
Exactly. Yeah, there's some nice features on it, so I like it.
Oh, what? How do you want to? I was thinking. Um, I know I'm still working on my passport. I gotta go through. Remember, if you remember, on my birthday when I had got arrested for driving, and they say I pulled off and ran a stop sign.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to go to court for that next month. But then
Okay.
after that, I can finish the process of finalizing my passport, because that's delaying me from getting my passport right now. But whenever I get my passport, either I'm going to come, maybe we can meet somewhere and do like a promo video.
That'd be pretty sick, man.
Because I actually ran into a videographer yesterday, and he lives literally 5 minutes from me. So I'm gonna get with him maybe in a week or two. But I was just thinking, like, damn, we need to get some content together.
Yeah, man, that'd be freaking kick ass.
So we need to try to come up with an idea. Maybe we can meet somewhere, like meet at the beach. I know I'll be in Vegas. You know, that's a high end location. So maybe whenever I do get there and you come out there, we'll start shooting some footage like out there.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we'll go out to California, go to Vegas or something, and shoot some nice. Actually, I would love to check out Caesar's Palace down in Vegas. That'd be fun.
Okay, smooth. Well, I know I'm gonna move out there. Maybe I know I said August, but I think I'm gonna end up going in June or July.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we can plan something for then.
Yeah, we can do some summertime fun.
Summertime fun. There we go. Summertime. Wait, there's a song about that, isn't there? Oh no, it's Summertime Sadness. Never mind.
No,
We don't got
Will
it.
Smith got a summertime song.
There is a summertime song?
Yeah, Will Smith.
Will Smith, Summertime. I gotta pull that up right now.
Yeah, pull it up real quick, 'cause I haven't heard it. I'm trying to think of it. Summertime. Yeah, pull it up real quick. I want to hear it too.
Summertime. Okay, YouTube. Go. Summertime. Will Smith. Let's see. Will Smith.
Am I wrong or right?
Jay. There's a Miami song and Will Smith, Summertime. This one?
Yep, that's it. Then be like, summertime, summertime.
All right, I gotta add that to my list.
I overheard an argument yesterday talking about Will Smith, and they was like, the people didn't realize that Will Smith was actually a comedian. He was an actor. He was a philanthropist, as well as a, what's it called? A rapper. He was all four.
Yep, yep, and he's also a director as well too.
Exactly. So he's five.
Oh yeah, man, he's lit. He's set for life, and his son is set for life. One of the greatest movies.
Their argument was he's not a rapper and
What?
he's not a comedian.
Who'd you
Like,
have?
that was their argument. I was like, you've got to be kidding me. You can't be serious right now. You haven't heard any of his songs. You haven't seen any of his comedy. Like, when Will Smith started, Fresh Prince was a comedy.
Oh yeah, Fresh Prince is on Netflix. It's freaking awesome. I love that.
Right. I was like, how can you not give him his props?
Yeah, the guy had no solid foundation.
And I think it was mainly because, when he did that iRobot and I Am Legend,
Oh, so some of his action
kind of
movies.
changed his tone from comedy to something serious.
Yeah.
And people forgot all about the comedy.
No, he's a funny guy. He's a comedian for sure, 100%. But he's a chameleon. He can play anything, right? He's oh. He's actually, I think he's starting to do some motivational speaking too, at different events and shit like that. But like, that's just when you come into that kind of fandom and impact on the world, you kind of have to become a motivational icon, right? When you have millions of people watching you and they respect you and love you, you have to get to that level where it's like, okay, I need to be mature. I need to inspire people to become the best versions that they can be. So he's one of the greatest movies I actually liked from him was Pursuit to Happiness.
Oh, hell yeah. That was my shit.
Oh, I love that movie. I first seen that movie in high school when we had to do a project on it, and I was like, I love this movie. I'll watch it. I aced that report, and I was like, yeah, just kept watching the movie.
The first time I saw that, I had tears in my eyes.
You what? Sorry.
I had tears in my eyes.
Oh, same here, man. It broke my heart.
Yeah, I got teary eyed.
Yeah. And they say guys can't cry.
Right. See, I get emotional a lot when I watch movies regarding father and son.
Yeah, it's you what? Sorry, I didn't make that out.
Hold on, here I go. Any movie with father and son.
Oh yeah, Cats in the Cradle. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I fucking get teary eyed in the heartbeat.
Every time it gets me. All right, so what do we got? 9:15. What do we got for?
That would have been that cool.
Sorry.
I said, hold on, one second. I'll be over this.
Yeah, no worries, man. Oh right, I gotta do that shit.
Anything moving?
Yeah, the New Zealand's pushing up a little bit. 66,850 and Euro USD. She's pretty stagnant right now. She's kind of just hovering at 12,400.
Oh, but I was saying that shit. Whenever I see that father and son, I get teary eyed, and be like, Like, man, I bet my dad would have been that cool.
Yeah. Did you ever meet your dad?
Yeah, I met him. I didn't meet him till I was like 17.
Oh, really? Eh? Oh, shit.
So yeah, missed that chapter.
Sorry, man.
It'd be like that.
But you and your mom are probably close, though, right?
Yeah, my mom actually. Guess what, bro? My mom actually just went to Africa and got married, and she actually got married in Nigeria.
Really? Good for her. That's awesome.
Yep. She's been
That's
divorced a couple times, but this recent one, she actually, believe it or not, bruh, it's wild how this shit happened. But
yeah. Right. Oh, damn. That's awesome. I'm happy for you, mommy. You call her still mommy? That's good, man. I'm happy for her too. That's it's hard, right? And yeah, where the hell did they get all their money? It's all off the oil, I guess. Really? Eh? What do you mean a compound? Holy shit! Yeah, like they basically live in a resort 24/7. Oh, ah, hot damn! Your mother hit the jackpot there. Oh shit! Damn, that's awesome. Oh yeah, she's for sure set for life. She ain't got to worry about jack shit now. Really, she did. You got what your prayers been answered. What did you say you had your start? Yeah, I'm kind of hovering back between the New Zealand and Euro USD. It's a nice little push. Yeah, exactly. It's actually, do you see that double bottom? The double wick at the bottom there on the 30-minute chart on the New Zealand. That's another confirmation right there for me. Let's pull up the 15 here. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh wow, actually, nice little all day. Oh, oh yeah. Yep, I see that. Excellent. She's coming, man. She's coming, and I'm still holding it. That's what I like. And there you go. Yeah, my stop on UJ. Where is she? There she is. My stop is at 112, 200. But I'm also holding it for a swing, so I'm going for a little bit more than you too. Yeah. Oh, you did, eh? Okay, at the bottom there. Right at the bottom there, at the bottom of that wick, at 11,800 or so. That I have a daily support right there, and it looks like it's respected it fairly nice. However, I do think it's going to come back and retest that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, pound JPY, euro JPY. Yeah. Yeah, boy. That's what we want. Hell yeah. Actually, take a look at. Yeah. Yeah, at least. Shit. I'm getting close. I'm sorry. I'm watching the Dow. I'm watching your screen, and I'm watching the Dow here at the same time. She's coming up. She's at 26,472. I'm getting ready for it. I'm stalking it. Yeah, man. She's coming. Yeah, man. I'm getting ready for that. Really nice. Hard. Hell yeah. Let's get it rocking. All right. 4 minutes to the bell. On the big boy account, that's it. So a micro lot, it's going to be trading at $1 a pip. So how much do you want to risk? If you want on a 10, above yesterday's high, let's see here. 50 pips roughly. Let's go. Yeah, use dime. See how you like that. Beautiful. I'm taking $1 on this. Whoo, yeah, man. I'm ready to rock. Let's go, baby. Ugh. I'm in. All right, and now I anticipate this son of a bitch to drop all the way down to 26,280 for a nice 190 points. She's way overbought right now. She's sitting at 79 right now. Way overbought. Ugh. Yeah. This is a high risk, high reward. This is the big boy table. Oh yes, same with yeah. I wouldn't even recommend ever trading on the copier account. Whoa. 82.45. Damn. 26,500 psych level. There we go. Yeah, boy. You got 518. Nice. Oh. Oh yeah, I got Oanda as the broker on whatever on TradingView here. So or is that yeah. Yeah. Oanda as the exchange here. So, but yeah, Oanda gives you US30, and they're quoted at 26,500 is that peak of that high there. Every broker's a little different. There she comes down. Look at that wick. Come on, baby. Last second. There she goes. Now to let her play around. Oh yeah, man. We got nice entries. Okay, I'm gonna run to the washroom. This coffee's going through me. All right, where are we at? Soon, Barr to address Mueller reports. Oh shit! Live in Washington. Yeah, in Washington, Mueller's going to be. They're going to be somebody's going to be addressing the Mueller report. Holy shit! She's way over 500. Yeah, 30 minutes. She's at the 81 too. Like I'm like that's 82. She touched there. What goes up must come down. I'm actually thinking about it as well. And I'm getting in right now. Drop another $1. Oh yeah, man. Today's payday for the month. Get it going. Hell yeah, it will. $5.12. Holy shit! What the fuck's pushing it? Should have come back down. Dow stands for down. Dow stands for down. So down. Now let's check these charts over here. Yes, 30. Yeah. 4-hour chart. She's bearish. Yeah, that's been riding up too long. Way too long. Way overbought. On the stochastic RSI, it's way over as well. So she's. Oh, I don't know if I'm talking. I'm talking far from the mic. Oh, what the fuck is up with you? 84. 84. Last time it touched 80 up to 89 was on this April 12th. Last time it ever hit that high. 85 back on April 12th as well. But gotta let it play. That's the joy of the Dow. We 8:30. Did those building permits come out? How come we missed an update? in the investing.com. I just didn't update it or refresh it. I have in the past, yeah. My FX book. Perfect. Excellent. Yeah, she's starting to come back down here now. New Zealand, she's standing still there. She's looking okay. And how's Euro USD looking? Oh yeah, she's coming back up. Beautiful. All right. You're talking to, sorry, on what? If you, you know that little, bleh, holy crap, on the community outlook on my FX book, that's what you're talking about, right? It's right at the bottom. It shows what, yeah, well, for the Euro USD, 76% are long on the Euro USD. There's the volume, 25,000 lots. That's 76,000% or 76,000 positions that are long. 81% are long on the pound USD. 170,000 lots worth of volume. It's 47,000 positions. Like that's just crazy. Let's see, where's New Zealand? All right. On which pair? Oh, okay. You can select up. Look at the USD CHF, 97% and 26,000 lots are short on the USD CHF. Nobody, and I mean nobody, wants to see that USD CHF pushing up. Nobody. Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we can use this data to elevate our. Yeah. Yeah. Shit. That's. Yeah. So he's trapping everybody, hitting all their stop losses. And actually, there's 1 step, 2 steps. Actually, it looks like it's forming the 3rd step there, or it's already hit the 3rd step. Right. Yeah, yeah, well, yeah, you want to do what opposite of what retail trader did. I have a website, and do you know CDOT? Shit. Okay, well, I'm gonna dig it up here, and it shows the CDOT is. I'm pretty sure it's called CDOT for trading. It shows the institutional traders against retail traders. CDOT trading. CBOT. COT trading. COT trading. Yeah, COT charts. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, sorry. What it does is it shows the volume of institutional traders opposed to retail traders, and on where they're at in the market on shit they're trading on. So let me see if I can find this better. That's bar charts. Dashboard. No. Let's take a look at just. I'm pretty sure it's. This is barcharts.com. That's why. Traders. Free COT base. There it is. There it is. Yeah. Yeah. Is long at 8-1 point. Where'd you see the average long position? Let me see here. If you're looking at it, it shows percentage, volume, and positions. 131. 200. Yeah, he's trapping them in.
Traditional prosecutorial judgment. This allegation.
Damn, eh? No kidding. Shit. The data just came out. Manufacturing PMI came out negative, and services PMI came out negative for the US. Yeah. Here, I'm going to send you a website on Facebook here, and so you can check this out. Where's Facebook? Damn it, Facebook. Whoa. Yeah, man, I'm seeing this too. I've seen that too. I ain't happy with that. So what, did you hit your stop or are you still in? Yeah, your stop's hit, eh? Shit, sorry, man. Yeah, there's days like that. It's a really, this week is an oddball. I'm still holding there. I'm still in my positions. I got a nice nice roller. But anyways, this cot base, you can see the commercial traders and large speculators, and you can see on whatever pair you want to pull up. So say I don't know. Let's pull up currencies here. Let's pull up the British pounds. Well, and I don't understand fully how to read it, but you can see the difference between institutional traders and small speculators like the retail traders, and what their what they're thinking, I guess, is what I'm trying to get at. So like 2,700 retail traders are short on the pounds, and institutional traders and speculators are mostly long. Nice 300 for yeah, yeah. So like large spec. Oh, thanks, man. You like it, eh? Hell yeah, there we go. I was when I was redesigning the office there, I was like, you know what? I want to make it look really nice. I want to put it nice and clean. I want my monitors wrapped around me, and I just want it to look clean and professional. So that's way when I take pictures, I can. People are like, "Damn." Oh yeah, I have a big U-shaped desk, right? So I have my one section where I got my calendar, and it's specifically just for paperwork. That's that side right there. Okay, yeah. Oh man, you're gonna love it when you pick up your U desk because it just gives you so much more room.
Disclosure ongoing investigations.
Even if you scroll down right below, you don't have to buy. If you scroll right to the bottom, yeah, oh yeah, you see try before you buy, and then you can click on the currencies, and you can see different where the institutional traders are. I don't fully know how to use the entire site properly. I learned about it a long time ago. I just never took it and used it into my trading. The stock app on Apple. NASDAQ near records, but stock market volumes are the lowest in months. Here's why. They open higher after strong retail sales, opens higher after strong retail sales, record territory for Pinterest and Zoom IPOs. Yeah, Zoom and that I'm not sure. I'll have to look into that, and I'll get back to you on that.
In order to advise the president on a potential invocation of which is consistent with long-standing practice. Following transparency and full disclosure to the American people, we do not assert contains redactions only for the and no material has been redacted based on executive privilege. This week.
She's sitting right now at 85 on the RSI. I don't believe it to be pushing up much more. She's having a little push up and a little bull rally, but I think she's trying to, the market maker is trying to convince everyone that the Dow's, yeah, exactly. Yep, exactly. uh, the co- well, commercial traders, that's what I mean. Like, I'm not entirely positive on how to read it entirely, but I do know that commercial and large like commercial is institutional traders. Large speculators are big people with big bankrolls. So like commercial would be like the banks and shit like that. Small speculators are just retail traders on the bottom. So you can see if you click on or highlight the blue or whatever it is, you can see how many traders are short on that position. The zero mark indicates break like even. Above is bullish and below is bearish. And you can see how many traders are actually in that that zone. Basically the same thing as my FX book, just laid out a little bit differently. And you can see different. The idea is to always be on the same side as the institutional traders.
Once again, I'd like to thank you for being here, and I will now have a few questions.
And actually, I'm looking at it right now, and the institutional, the commercial side of things are actually bearish on the Dow. Yeah, man. I know. Oh, I was kind of looking at that. Yeah, I didn't get to it because the news was coming out as I was looking. Now we're talking. Yeah, I'm not getting that 25.60. I just see position. Yeah. Let's see, Shell, you want to draw out the levels? I see 1, 2. Because I'm not seeing the levels there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. Oh, okay, I see the last one. Yeah, there we go.
And we don't go through this process just to collect information and throw it out.
Hell yeah. Now we're talking. Hey, do you want to actually pull up the my FX book? I just want to see your screen on where it's showing the level, like of where the average trades are. 25.6. And powerful it is. Oh yeah, man.
We don't convene grand juries and conduct criminal investigations.
Man, that's what I like. people always think it's like once you learn it, you never have to learn anymore. But you know what? In trading, you're constantly learning. You're always a student of the market. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I got. So, oh, you got it on your phone. Okay, okay. That's why we got in different data. Okay, okay. Okay, sounds good. Oh my God. There we go. 25.6, 26, 312. Yeah. That's mint. Hell yeah, it is. Interesting. Yeah, this yeah, all I got is community outlook on your screen. You'll have to share. Yeah. And they talk about that. Steve Morrow talks about that. Holy shit, eh? Damn. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're still holding it down? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, nice. Yeah, I was gonna say I'm still holding there. I'd never got out, and I'm heavy in profit now. Yeah. And gold is actually pushing up. I'm heavy in profit in gold too. It's only up $1, but it's heavy profit. It's still a grand. So on big boy accounts, it's fun. Oh shit. 26,848D1. Beautiful. Hey, zoom out to your 4-hour on the US 30 here. Yeah, I just want to take a screenshot of that. I'm going to be posting. Actually, do you care if I post this? No. Yeah, leave that in. People like shit. Yeah, let's throw a fib in there, and we'll just zoom it out a bit. People don't need to see levels; they just can see. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Hell yeah. There we go. Beautiful. That looks mint. I'll send this to you. Now how do I send? Okay, I gotta go to Facebook Messenger. There we go. There we go. Dow Jones. 476. Oh, wait, 479. My bad. Yeah, I'll post it in the Telegram there. All right, cool, man. Sounds good. Yeah, I'll tag you in it when I post mine too. Genius chat. Access. Yes. There we go. Man, I love my curve monitors. They're freaking sick. I had some family come over and take a look at. Put CMFX. Great to catch up with you. As always, thanks for your patience. That's what Tansky of Compass Point Research. Coverage will continue right here on Bloomberg TV. Oh, there we go. That's what I like to see. 26,450. Oh, beautiful. Now that's what I'm talking about. I'm up to 7K now. Oh, nice day. Oh, 8. Oh, oh man, I'm loving this.
You're in charge of how your skin feels. The world you to follow the rules. Write your own.
Don't you love blue screens?
Because no one gets an opinion on how you live your life, why you shave, or how you show your skin. My bad.
Oh yeah, she just started her downturn. No, she's been higher. She's gone up to 26. Yeah, she's gone up to 26.9 in December. There was the high of the year. No, not much, man. Like she's just been kind of hovering in this area, but she's Head and Shoulders. Yeah, I see that. And a little ill-formed. Yeah, and then you got your slanted shoulder top at the bottom there. Oh yeah. Damn. You literally just retire off this. One move, man. Have you ever heard of Eddie Viteri? Yeah. No, he's a Forex trader. Phenomenal guy. I learned how to trade from him, and shit, he was one of my mentors. He takes one trade a month and makes more money off a single trade. Like he might stack a few extra trades on it, but he takes one trade a month on one move and capitalizes like 2,000 to 3,000 pips off a single move. Phenomenal trader. and like he just does like this. He just goes, holds it for a couple months even, and that's his bank. He just does that.
You were saying?
Shut up, Siri. I don't care. So anyways, that's 10:06. Let me hit the washroom. I guess that's the end of our session, and we'll go into business. Great session, everyone, today, guys. We still have the Dow trade running. We have New Zealand dollar running as well as Euro USD and Pound USD and USD Jappy. Have a great weekend. Happy Easter. And we'll be back Tuesday morning for trading. It's going to be a long weekend, and we will not be trading on Friday or Tuesday. Right on. Oh, sorry, Friday or Monday. We'll be back Tuesday. There we go. Right on. Ciao, everybody. All right, I'll be back in 5. It's going to run to the